All right, testing, testing. I think we are rolling. Let me know if you can't hear me or if things are laggy, but I think we're doing okay. I think we are. Oh, what's up, Silent? First one in. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. We're about to get rolling here. Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. We got a lot to do tonight. We actually have to get things done because last time we got like nothing done. So we actually have to get it done tonight. But yeah, we're doing good, I think. I think we are doing good. All right. Nice. Okay. All right, we got a lot to do. We got a lot to do. Just want to make sure we're looking good here. I think we are. Okay. All right, guys. So last time we kind of got started with this puzzle here. I think we didn't actually do the script for it yet. I'm just going to reuse one of the old scripts we have because it pretty much does the same thing as our other one, if I remember. Not our green flame. We need to close out some of these other pages though. Because I think that's what makes this lag a lot. So we have a bunch of other pages open. I also have extra browsers open. Let me close those. Yep. Hello. Also explain why my stream has been popping off faster than my popcorn when the stream starts. I'm sorry. You gotta get your popcorn ready. I feel like I should try to aim for a time. Like I feel like usually I aim for like 8 or 9 p.m. for, what do you call it? East Coast time. So usually that's what I aim for. Some days it gets ridiculous. Like tonight, I don't know if I was gonna make it. But I was like, I gotta do it tonight because some people want to watch. But yeah, we're doing good. We are doing good. But yeah, we do got a lot to do today. Wow, that's late. I'm sorry. See what I mean? This was like one of my later days that like I really want to do it like an hour earlier. Like around, I don't know. Like an hour earlier, but for some reason this week has been crazy. But I appreciate you hopping on and dropping a like for me though. It's very nice of you. But I will try better to do this earlier, I promise. Because it's just been a bad habit of like doing it later in the day. Because I know most people are busy. Like I feel like if I want more views and stuff, I gotta start doing it just a little bit earlier. You know? Just a little bit. I think we broke something in the game. I don't remember what it was though. This is what it was. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah. But no, let's get a solid like hour or two in today. That'd be kind of nice. Yeah, my most popular stream was on a Monday night, which I thought was crazy. I was kind of shocked by that, to be honest. But I guess this is how it is. It was pretty popular. I feel like I'm getting better at it though. I've been releasing a lot of clips and then also releasing a lot of like actual YouTube videos. So I think my like active following is pretty high right now. I released a new video today that had a lot of views. And it had like a really popular Reddit post. I think it had like 100,000 views on Reddit. And then it also had like 600 upvotes or something. It was that one that I show you how to use source control. But I need to adjust it though, because a lot of people wanted to do local source control versus cloud source control, which makes sense because then you can have it on your local machine. I just did that one because GitHub's just like super popular and pretty easy to follow along for the most part. But I think I'm gonna have an alternative option for people who want to do the local one. I think that would be a good YouTube video too, how to set up local hosted Git for your Godot game. I think that would be kind of good. And it's a pretty cool like ability too. If you know how to set up a local Git, it just looks pretty cool. Because honestly, the cloud one is just not that crazy. That inactivity for 4 months low-key murdered your channel. We'll just make slight updates every like month just in case. Yeah, I don't know why. I think I was just locked in with getting like most of this game done. Because if you remember, I had like only 30% of this game completed, so I needed to just like lock in. Also, the new course I made, I had to do it in a completely new style that I usually haven't done before. So I just really needed to try it. But you're right. I have like stacks of content now for all the clips. I do clips now. I'm kind of like, I'm going to try to stream like 3 to 4 times a week. Like I said, I'm going to try to stream on Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So yeah, hopefully I just hit that, but I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Gotta try my best though. I'm still learning, you know what I mean? I'm not really like a content creator technically, so I'm not exactly like trying to make $1 billion on YouTube, but I do like it because it helps like increase my sales on my courses, and then also of course it just grows like the overall brand of Red Fool Studio. So you know, it does its thing. Here we go, but we need not this one. We need, why did I call this chest final? That's concerning. No, it wasn't that one, it was the other one. Here we go. No. There we go. Oh, I have another game after Oblation, kind of already ready. It's going to be more of an education game. It's going to be for studying flashcards. It's going to be like multiple games in one game, but you'll be able to play like these really cool flashcard games with your friends. But it's like, it sounds really boring, but I promise you it's going to be like super fun. It's going to be like a dungeon crawler for one of the games. It's going to be like an RTS Age of Empires for another game, and then like a dinner dash style Monopoly game for the other one. It's going to be really cool, and it's kind of going to be more about, you know, the education world with a Red Fool Studio, because that's kind of the goal here. The goal here is to make like educational video games, because like in my head I would like to get something out of playing a video game apart from just entertainment, something that kind of like helps me in the real world a little bit. But yeah, it's going to be the flashcard game, and then it's going to go ahead and be a language learning game. But I'm going to try my best to make the games like really fun, because they're not going to be like boring mini games. The schools are gonna milk you dry for the 100 games. I just think, I don't know, it'll be kind of cool. I'm gonna make the game like somewhat child friendly too. I think like it's not gonna be rated. I think it's gonna have to be rated T if they still rate things T, because like I don't want to have like it to be super boring. I don't want it to be like a boring toddler game. I want it to be like actually a fun video game. So it's probably gonna have to be rated T, because if I'm gonna have like, you know, fighting in the game or like funny like humor, I'm gonna have to make it a little bit more mature than like super E for everybody kind of. It'll be for everybody. I feel like all ages will like to play the game, but I think my overall market will be primarily like just like, I don't know, young adults, and then anybody in school basically that's like, I don't know, just someone who can use it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But anyway, I'm happy to get this game done. I mean, Prodigy exists, and I was great. Yeah, that is true. I think you never know. To be fair, maybe I can make it rated E for everyone. I hope I can, because that means the market for it would be awesome. But the hardest thing in that game I'm going to have to do is definitely going to be multiplayer. That's going to be my first ever game with multiplayer. And I think I'm going to do it like not local multiplayer, but like it's going to have to be weird the way I'm going to do it. I know Steam is going to be easy for multiplayer, because Steam offers a lot of tools to make your game multiplayer without servers. But there's another type of multiplayer I need to do, because it's going to also be a mobile game. It's going to be a mobile game and a PC game, because it's going to be like a free version with ads, and then you like can unlock more characters or whatever when you buy the Plus version. But on Steam, you'll just have to buy the Plus version. But it'll be a fun game. It'll be like a cheap one. It's not going to be a big game. Not nearly. It might be as big as this game, but overall, just the functionality of the game is going to be more like arcade style. But anyway, I'm like super excited for it though, because I think it's just going to be really cool, you know? Yeah. But anyway, we need to do this. We need to combine two scripts. We need this one here. This one is the one that controls, I think this one controls these thingies, like the little like mini game stuff, if that makes sense. But yeah. Let's go ahead and locate the new one. I think we did make a script for it. Yeah, because we have the chest there. But the problem with the chest, if I remember, is we don't have anything in the script that adjusts, like, what do you call it? We don't have anything that adjusts the, what is it called? The, that adjusts the text in it. Because what I want to have, and I think what we have, is two pages. We have a page that basically opens and says, you got your treasure and blah, blah, blah. So we need one for that and that, if that makes sense. But yeah, we shall see. So we need, yeah, we're gonna need a script that combines both. Yeah, basically managing the game, and also we need to manage the game, and then we need to also update the text correctly. And I already have scripts for this, so I just want to combine like the parts that we need, if that makes sense. Where is everything we need? Where's the little text box? I wish I could force this text box to be up here. Release it on September 10th. Enough time, everyone will be in school already. That is true. But the problem is I haven't even started it, and I guarantee it's going to take at least until maybe around December. So it's not going to come out probably till like around January. But to be fair, this is a game that I'm going to work on like continuously. Like I don't think I'm going to have like different versions come out, because that game is like a fun game I've always wanted to make, and I don't know, it's like a tool for students. So like I probably will be working on it just like a little bit every now and then, because it should be pretty easy. We'll have 3 games inside of it for flashcards that are pretty fun, but you know, if it gets popular and I can put more games in it, I would love to do that, just to give people more options of like fun things to do, if that makes sense. But yeah, I don't know. It's good stuff though. No, it's this one. Bad Place Chest. What's this one called? Okay. But I'm excited. It'll be really fun. That would be wild. If I could get it done before September 10th, I would be pretty freaking good. Like, don't get me wrong. I think the next game is going to take me way it's going to be way faster to make, just because this game I know like 20 things I did wrong while making this game. But I think ultimately it's just going to be easier overall. Like I'm not worried about it at all. All right. Now, where is the fun stuff? The delay. You mean the delay? Oh, my delay. Is it laggy? I don't really know why it's lagging. I think it's because of the chat keeps on, or it's the camera, because I did change the camera settings, but I don't know if that does anything. Wait. Oh, it's your Wi-Fi. It says it's good. I don't think it's laggy. Sometimes it gets a little laggy sometimes, but it looks running pretty good. My stream health says pretty healthy. Pretty healthy. Did I turn off this thing? I did. Yeah, I don't know what. No, I have it. I'm looking at the stream right now on another monitor. It says it's working good. But sometimes my camera gets a little laggy, I think. It's just delayed. It's slowed down a little bit. But yeah, we're looking good here. I don't know. Yeah, I just think the response time is a little bit delayed, which is annoying. I'll have to fix that eventually. I'm gonna get a new PC probably this year, so I'll probably have a lot more compute power or whatever it's called. But yeah, we're doing good though, guys. I think we're doing good. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing? Also, we need more people on the leaderboard. No one else chats. I know. Oh, there we go. What's up, Killer Bean Studio? What's up, Killer Bean Studio? I like that name. Is that the actual name of your studio? That's awesome. Speak of the bean. That's awesome. Yeah, we're just working on a game here. I don't know if you've joined before, but we are just doing some chill chats, lo-fi, and then trying to wrap up my game that's taken me 1,000,000 years to make. But we're doing good. I think we're doing good. Oh, keep that green. I hope your day's going good, Killer Bean. Your name's so funny. But you're also a studio. Whoa, I'm Red Fool's studio. So we're like studio people. I wish it would force. Every time I click on another browser, it changes the chat box to somewhere else. But yeah. We need to make this one work correctly. If it works, that would be awesome. I kind of don't feel like it's going to work though. Sozar, no, I just think Sozar, honestly, I think I've been streaming way too late for Sozar. I think I need to start streaming way earlier. I told you, that's what I kind of got to do. I'm really kicking myself in the butt because I just stream way too late in the day. Usually I do it earlier. I was just on a run today and the run was taking forever. So what I'll do is I'll try to do this before, because I do a little other stuff too after work. So I need to start prioritizing this. Yeah, but it will get better. Today was just a weird day. To be honest, I feel like these past couple streams have just been really weird because I've just been non-stop trying to get done this game, you know? So that's why it's taken so long to get this all done. It's quite annoying, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. We're almost there though. We're in the home stretch. Alright, I think I combined the things I needed. We're gonna make basically this thing control the game, and then we're gonna also make it so we can talk to it and then get the reward. So we need to go ahead and just place it out, make sure we are selecting the right one. I always do that. I always select the wrong script and I'll take the whole thing. Oh, he left the Discord server? That sucks. Maybe he got annoyed at me for posting so much in there. But who knows? Maybe he'll come back. I don't know. I hope he comes back. It was fun. To be fair, I don't know. Maybe he just needs a break. Sometimes you just need a break from your little things, you know? So I get that. we at number 6? I think we are. Okay. This is not going to work correctly. I don't think it'll work. It might work. We have no functions attached, so that's not good. Let's see, area left, area enter, area right, enter area. Why do we have? What is that? Oh, you know what these are for? These are for connecting. I'm gonna leave for a little bit. I better see 50 people watching when I come back. You're right, we should. Come on, guys. Let's get in it. We're either gonna hopefully get 50 people watching or actually finish the thing I have to do. I think we will. Usually it builds up after a while. It just takes like a couple minutes. But if not, it's okay too, because I'm just here to hang out and give people good vibes. You feel me? Just giving the people some good vibes. Why do we have 3 of these? Area entered. Do I have area exited? Yeah. But definitely drop a like if you haven't dropped a like yet. Okay, area entered. And we're going to connect it to this guy. Pretty sure if we do that, it'll work. No. That's incorrect. We need to hook that up to the correct one. So that means I made these the wrong names. What did I call these? Left, right, middle. That's why. Area 2D. We need to know which ones they are. Okay, so this one is left. Left. Right. I created 18 games. Whoa! How'd you make 18 games? That's awesome. That's a lot of games. Are you trying to make a multiplayer? I was just talking about that. My next game after this game is going to be a lot of multiplayer in it. What's up, Xavier Fools? How you doing? You're trying to create... What kind of game for multiplayer are you making, though? Is it a 2D, a 3D? What's the vibe of the game? I hope your day is going good, Xavier. That's good. And multiplayers. I don't think multiplayer is that. Oh, what's up, Foolish Duck? How you doing? A 2D? Nice. Is it like a top-down, a platformer? What's the vibe of your multiplayer game? That sounds interesting. Hope your day is going good, Foolish Duck. We got some good stuff happening. What's up, good gamer name? Is this going to be a commercial game? Yes, it is. This game is called Oblation, Prince of Corruption. You can check out the Steam page at the pinned message. Please wishlist the game. Yeah. Noise. Oh, nice. Oh, noise? Or wait, was that noise or was it nice? But no, it's called Oblation, Prince of Corruption. It's pretty good. It's going pretty good too, though. We're doing good. We're almost done. Oh, that's okay. Noise, not noise. Yeah, that's what I was like. Noise. Am I making noise? Noise is basically a slang for nice. Nobody said noise, like without the C. So I was like, does he hear a weird noise? What's the problem? But no, it's on Steam. It's also on my website too. I have it on the... If you just click the wishlist button, you'll see like the image of it and everything. But no, it's a top-down game. Just thought of networking gives me PTSD. I took a stab at it, but all the hassle of thinking about dedicated servers and relays and packets gave me a headache. Yeah, that's kind of what comes with. Well, you could give me a like on the video, though. Good gamer name. That'll help me a little bit. But anyway, to answer your question, Fool's Duck. Yeah, I don't know. Multiplayer, I feel like, is one of those things where if you do it once, you can do it again. You know what I mean? But I bet there's like 4 different ones. There's like 4 different ones of it, or if that makes sense. Like, I feel like there's multiplayer that's on servers, and then there's multiplayer that's local hosted, and then there's like internal local players, like how Steam can do it. So you kind of got a couple options. The only one that could be a huge hassle is like one that involves a ton of different multiplayer people, but I have a feeling that is only if your game gets like big enough where you're going to even have that. You know what I mean? For most indie games, I feel like you're only going to play with about 4 to 8 friends. So usually that you can do with local hosting, I'd say. Have I ever heard of Has-Been Hotel? I have heard of Has-Been Hotel. I actually like Has-Been Hotel a lot. It has a really good musical. They also have a live musical on Amazon also, which is kind of funny. I think it's cool because it's like an indie animation company, because that's one of my goals. Apart from like, you know, making games and all these courses, I want to make my own animation. I want to like, even like, not only do I want to make my own animation, but I want to like teach my own anime course, so I can teach other people how to draw like manga and anime. I think that'd be so cool. What's up, Rich Word Yanto 2000? Why you choose Godot and not Unity? I actually originally did choose Unity. I was also teaching Unity courses, but then I had a fateful day where I was having huge issues with Unity. Like, 1, it was like taking up all the space on my computer. 2, it like was just slow after I had a big enough project. And honestly, like ever since I switched to Godot in the past couple years, Godot's just been awesome. It's been such a breeze. I love it. It's just so simple. It's everything I need for all the games I make as an indie developer and small teams. Yes, I am a solo dev. I built pretty much this game completely by myself. It is, though, based off of a book by a guy called Seth Witherow. He wrote a book called Oblation, Prince of Corruption, and I'm teaming up with him to make this game. So basically, he's, what do you call it? He is, he wrote the book. It's like a dark, it's on the link as well, but it's pretty cool, though. It's like a dark fantasy adventure. But no, I built pretty much like basically almost all this game by myself. What are we doing here? I don't think I could understand code. You definitely could understand code, Xavier. Anybody can learn how to make games, how to code. You can do it. Because if I can do it, you can do it. This is what Fool's Duck said, I was genuinely talking about Has-Been Hotel with a few people. I've only ever watched the pilot, but fandom scared me away watching further. It's a crazy show, though. Like, if you can kind of get past the beginning part, because it is a little cringy sometimes, but I don't know, it has a lot of depth to it. I think it's really cool because it's like an animation film, if that makes sense. Like, it's an indie animation film because it started with a small team, and there's even some like famous voice actors in it, though, which is kind of wild. My cat is running around. It's not that hard once you get used to coding. Yeah, coding I think is not impossible. Sorry guys, I gotta catch up in the chat. You guys are chit-chatting. What is going on? It's not hard once you get started. We have more likes than viewers. Yeah, that doesn't even make sense, but let's do it. Like the video, guys. Let's keep it up. I want to hit 50 likes tonight, all right? 50 likes. Let's hit 50 likes. Come on, all right? Low-key, I want to make a game with my brother eventually. You should do that, Silent. Come on, man. You should do that. That would be so cool. You guys should do like a brother game where it's like one of those 2-player games where one person does one thing and the other person does the other. Kind of like, there's a really cool game like that. I forget what it was called. It's the people who made It Takes Two. But they made another one after that one that's really fun. I forget the name of it, though. Split Fiction. Split Fiction is a super cool 2-player game that is so cool to me. I love it. It's awesome. Imaginary stories and everything. It's so cool. Cool, so you actually have a story. Yeah, yep, this is based off a book. I hated episode 3. I don't even know what the episodes are. I would just randomly have it on in the background sometimes. Coding is much more intimidating than it is actually difficult. I think so. I feel like it's very related to like, it's like math, but until you do it for like a couple months and you actually make something with the code, it's really hard to enjoy it, I'd say, to be honest. But once you can make like something tiny, I'm talking like really small, like a Flappy Bird game, or just like a little block that jumps over other blocks, just something super simple. Once you do that though, you will like fall in love with it, because it's not like even at this point for me, I know probably like 5 coding languages from heart now, just because I do it all the time. But coding is never the thing that gives me issues anymore. It's always like interconnecting other softwares together. That's the thing that actually is hard, because when you try to connect softwares together that aren't actually meant to connect together, like a front-end application and a back-end application and a modeling thing from Blender, or like, you know what I mean? Like stuff like that is like actually the hard part. I've been trying to convince my cousin to make a game with me. Well, I don't know. I kind of went through the struggle of like trying to get people to help me make games and like projects. But I'll be honest with you, people I think have a really hard time helping other people if it's not very instant. So it's almost better to just start it on your own, and then with your passion, like if you just keep working on something extremely passionately for a while, and I don't mean like years, but like a couple weeks, maybe a month or 2, other people will start to want to help you or connect with you. But it takes either 2 things, I feel like, to get people to help you. 1, money. Of course, you could pay people to help you, but a lot of us, including myself, I don't want to do that. But then the other thing is where they actually want to help you if you show passion. And if you show passion in something you're working on, then they'll totally help you. Like, I just think the odds of people helping you out, if they see you're like really into it, then they'll totally do it. Oh, have a good time, man. See you later, good gamer name. I just got an ad where it said that's funny. I know, I wonder if they're getting more lenient with like their ads, because people have been saying some funny things. Godot is best, but only problem is no built-in tools like terrain brush. There totally is terrain brush, Killer Bean. There absolutely is. It's literally called tile map layer, and it is, I think, way better than the one that Unity has. I think it's so much more simpler. It looks better. Like, tile map layer is basically like terrain brush. And if you mean for 3D stuff, oh, I bet they have it now. They've been working on the 3D engine like crazy the past couple years. Like the past 2 years, it's insane all the new stuff they added. It's crazy. Remember the woman in peanut butter ad I talked about? No. Oh, wait a minute. I think I do. Yeah, that's crazy. I don't know how they allow that. It's so weird. It's so weird. I've even tried to buy YouTube ads, and it never gets me people. It's insane. I don't know how. You must have to spend like thousands of dollars, because I would spend like $100, and like it just didn't help me that much. I feel like you have to spend like a lot of money, and you have to do it consistently. Where then in my head, I'm like, well, I might as well just release YouTube videos and get more views that way, if that makes sense, you know? 2D is best, but 3D. No, I like 2D a lot. I haven't even started. I have made 3D stuff, but I have not like made courses or games in it yet fully. So I'm going to teach a whole entire curriculum for 3D development, because I already have a massive 2D development curriculum. I'm like cleaning it up right now, refreshing all the courses. But 3D is going to be super fun to make. I'm excited to do the 3D stuff, because I've been getting a lot of requests. Like, people have been reaching out to me asking me to do these 3D courses. So I'm going to get to them. Hopefully I can start them this year, because honestly, most of these remakes of these 2D courses I'm doing, or these update versions, they're just like kind of like the better stuff people requested, and it's going really well. Like, I think my new courses are amazing. If any of you guys in here wanted to learn game development, you should totally check out my free game development course. It's 16 hours on YouTube, or if you sign up for my website, it's on there as well. All the links are in the description. Also, please like the video. I don't know what we're at, but please like the video. Okay. My hope when I make a game with my brother is making it Metroidvania style, like H-Key, but lore and other little stuff from Undertale. Oh yeah, definitely. But I'm telling you, Silent, start slow. Start with something tiny. I'm talking like Flappy Bird. I'm talking like something tiny. Because you don't want to be the person that jumps into this massive project, doesn't finish it, loses their confidence. Oh, H-Key means Hollow Knight. I didn't know that. I've actually never played the Hollow Knights. I'll be honest, I'm not crazy about platform games. Like, I played Mario, obviously. But I feel like I need to broaden my like, understanding of platform-style games, because I just haven't played any, like, big platform games, like any super popular. I did play Cuphead, but I don't know if that's technically, like, a platform-style game. I feel like Cuphead is more of, like, what do you call it? Like, I don't know. It's like more of like an arcade game, I would say, than a platform style game. I'm not doing pure ambition. I'm saying like when I'm a lot older, 2 more years or something. Yeah, that's fair. But you know, you can always tinker with it while you have time. You know, I kind of wish I started this younger. I've been making games since I was a kid, but I wasn't like taking it seriously. I think I never like released stuff that I could put on a resume. But now I'm like crazy about it. Like, this is gonna be so cool to have on my like portfolio, like giant RPG game. There's a part in that's called Path of Pain, and it's pain. That's funny. I think I remember the Hollow Knight game like that, actually. That's funny. All right, did I connect all these signals? Completely forgot. That one's not connected. None of it. I didn't connect any of them. I think I was renaming them actually. Area entered. We're connecting all of these to the master script. This master script is going to control basically the little mini game we're going to play. And it's pretty simple. It's just going to like flash these different colors. So yes, okay, that's what I wanted. See how we connected these here? That's what I wanted. And we did them all except that one. I was planning a true warrior being it, but honestly, I'm going to do exactly what I said I was going to push. Gonna put in it. Sweet. I feel you. Well, you gotta go for it. Go for your dreams. My cats are going crazy in the background. Have you heard about the annoying yellow ball called Variety? No. I thought you were gonna say the annoying orange. That was like a funny YouTube thing for a while. Hooray, it worked. Okay. It's gonna glitch. Anytime I save in this, it does not like it. Give them catnip. You know, surprisingly, my cats don't get that crazy with catnip. They get kind of like, I don't know, sleepy or cuddly. I think for like the first like, I don't know, 5 minutes they get crazy, but then they kind of just chill. And to be honest, it makes such a mess. Like they just roll around in it and then it just gets everywhere. Like, I don't know why it's like that. Oh, what's up? I'm a weird artist. How you doing? I feel like your name is a trap, because if I say your name, it sounds like I'm the weird artist. Vertray is how you pronounce it. Oh, variety. Sorry. I'm trying to keep up. There's a lot of chats I gotta read. Foolish Duck says, were they alive for the annoying orange? Probably not. I don't even think I was like, I don't know. The annoying orange was like a lot going on there, if I remember. But yeah, I'm glad you're doing good. I'm a weird artist. I hope you're having a good day. We're just working on our game here. Nothing crazy. Just hanging out. Answering silly questions all night long. That's good though. We got the fools all here. The fools are all here. The annoying orange was so long ago, but in PMO so much. I used to love that. I don't know why. I don't know. I think it was like the start of like nonsense stuff. And it literally was just a green screen and an orange with like eyeballs. Like that was like and it was just like screaming the whole time. It was so easy. Thanks for the like, whoever gave me a like. Or is that a like? I don't know why. It like floats up little like emojis sometimes. I don't know why it does that. Oh, there we go. What? I don't get it. What is happening? What? They should like give you know what I want to do? You know what I should do? I should program something in here, because YouTube's little thingy where it gives like who's the number one. I don't like that. You know what I should do? I'm gonna make my own program, and I'm gonna have like a program count, basically. Like, if that makes sense. And then it'll count whoever has the most messages or the most like emojis sent, and then that'll be the number 1, 2, 3. Because I don't like how they do this. I'll put like a bar on like the left or the right side that has that, so you guys know how much work you're putting into this. Woo! But yeah, good stuff. Anyway, so we connected all this. I don't think this is gonna work. I don't think it'll work. It might work. I just don't believe it's gonna work. Put a poll for whoever is the most annoying, and they will be declared as the orange. So if you spam it, you would be number 1. I guess you would, but the problem is there's auto spam rules, I think, with YouTube chat. So like if you just start spamming literally right now, I think it will be mad at you or something. Like it won't, like it'll let you spam, but I'm pretty sure it'll just delete your messages. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. But then the emojis just, I don't even know what's the point of like the emoji thingies. Thanks for my hat. Yeah. This is just like a regular hat. It shadow bans you from saying it if spammed. I'm pretty sure it does. But I wouldn't do that. I would not like to get banned. That would be sad. Alright, let's make sure this has the correct messages, because I have a feeling that we're not going to have the correct messages here. I really appreciate you guys all joining, though, and being proactive. Thanks for being part of the team. Okay, it does have the right message. UI message chat box 1. No, when it does that, people click on sidebar and it isn't actually chat, but it's a little thing that doesn't do anything. Yeah, then why do they have it in there? That's what I mean. It's like, it's goofy. Like, I can see it. It pops up on my screen and like shoots little hearts or whatever the heck those things are. But like, I don't know why they did that. You know what I mean? Like, what is it? I think it's just like reactions or something. It's weird though. I don't understand it. Why is there 8 likes but 10 people? Who's slacking here? Who is slacking? Who are the 2 people who are not liking the video? Go get every device you have in the house and like the video. I guess that's fair, but it should be more like prominent, I think. You know, like it should like really go crazy when you give it a little emotion thingy or something. But Xavier for number 1. Who's got number 2? Oh, Foolish Duck has number 2. See, but that doesn't make any sense because Silent was here literally like first, and he's been chatting all night. You know? So what is happening? Whoa, things are glitching. Alright. I feel. Okay, let's try this. I don't think this is gonna work though, to be honest. I don't think it'll work. It might work. Maybe. Let's try it. They know I'm cooler. No, Xavier, I would advise you not to listen to the argument. Shadow ban means it simply doesn't show the messages. It still shows up for you, but not anyone else. Yeah, that would be sad. So they put me as number 2. Yeah. Foolish Duck. It's so funny though. Like, I remember when you first joined, I was like, your name's so cool. My favorite streamer is on break, and it makes me sad, but this makes me feel better. You're in 2nd place. I'll take 2nd place. I'm a weird artist. I'll take it. I'll take it. One day I'll be number 1, though. I promise. The chest will not open. Seems to be forced shut. Yay, game plays. Okay, here we go. So I have to, like, do this. It doesn't work. I think it does work. No, oh, it does work. Oh, okay. Hold on. The chest will not open, seems to be forced shut. It doesn't blink when I hit it, and I don't like that. Okay, 1. I think it does, actually. That was totally what it did. What's going on? Did I not? What? I could have sworn it was. No? The chest will not open, blah, blah, blah. Ready? 1, 2, 1. It hit this one twice. You know what it is? It's because I'm hitting it with the weapon. So it thinks I'm hitting it twice. Because now it's going to fail. Ready? Okay, so that's the problem. Is because we didn't set it to NPC. No, I think it did it. I think it blinked twice, Xavier. I'm pretty sure it double blinked it. I'm pretty sure. Maybe so. I don't know what you said that with in that scandalous face there. That was scary. Alright. But the problem is we're not setting it to NPC, and what happens is we hit it without him. Huh. Is it doing it twice or not? Because my worry is, I don't know. What are all these faces? This message is held for review. Which one? What message? Uh-oh. I don't know. Those are the ones I can get off the top of my head. It wouldn't let you show emojis. That's funny. Oh, that's that one. That's weird. Oh, happy early birthday. I hope you have a good birthday. Have I ever played PVZ? I don't know what that is. What is PVZ? Include a face in every message. I guess I could do that, actually. I could add that. What should I add to the little chat thing that appears? What do you guys want? Because I like the little chats that pop up on the screen. I think it's fun. Oh, Plants vs. Zombies. Man, you guys got all these acronyms for things that I'm like, what? Does everything just have an acronym now? Is that just how it is? Oh, I love Plants vs. Zombies, though. Like, when it first came out, I don't know if I played it. I think I played it on the DS. Like, way back in the day. I played it on the Nintendo DS. Like, yeah. Make that chat have different colors for different places. But what do you mean by places? Like, oh, you mean like number 1, number 2 place? Or do you mean like, I don't understand what that means. I do not know. You've never played Undertale? I'm a Weird Artist? You gotta play that game. It's really good. It's T. This is definitely not T. This is body armor. Correcto. I could do that. I probably should do that. I want to make the little chat thingy be more interesting. I think it goes away too fast too. But I definitely can see your guys' chats way faster than it pops up on the screen. So, but I think it's fun. You know what I would love to do? And I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I would love for there to be like a little Mario game going on at the bottom here. And then you guys can play the game while watching the stream. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you put in the commands to make the guy move or something. I think that would be so cool. Like a farming game or something. Like, just like a little browser thing that pops up right here for you to play. I think that'd be so fun. So I might do that. I might make like a tiny little game you guys can play with the chat. I think that'll be hilarious. But yeah. This is not working, I think, because we have the wrong sword. Yeah, like you'll have to say a word to like make it move. Like, I don't know what. You'll have to like do A, like W or A WSD for up down, and then I'll have like space bar for like attack or something. Yeah, it could be like a fake Mario game or something. But it'd be just funny because then I can have like a little thing you guys can play while watching me. It's like you're gonna watch me make a game while playing a game. That'll be hilarious. But I'll look into it. There's probably a way I can do it. I feel like I'm definitely gonna need a new. I don't know. I don't know if I'll need a new PC. It kind of just depends. But anyway, Okay, let's test my theory, and how we're gonna do that is we need to make sure I don't have the superpower one. How did you think of your username? So my username is my business's name. It's called Red Fools Studio. And this username is Red Fools Game Dev, because I also have Red Fools Web Dev, Red Fools App Dev, and then probably Red Fools Cloud Dev. I have a bunch of different YouTube accounts, but this one's kind of the main one. But no, it's like, the reason it's called Red Fools though is one, because it's like kind of like primarily it started off as a gaming company, and games and fools are like, fun, entertainment, you know? But also I'm a redhead, so that's why I picked the color red. And it's like my favorite color. Yeah. But yeah, okay, we needed to test this because I think it is working, but I think we're double hitting it, if that makes sense. And the reason we're double hitting it is because I have a power-up that shoots like a little energy ball out of my sword. So to test if that is the case or not, we're going to change our starting mission to something where I know we won't have that upgrade, which is like mission 10. So if we change it to mission 10, we should be okay. Load. Is it gonna load? I hope it loads. Oh, might crash. I'm your favorite redhead streamer. What was the other? Well, your number one clearly wasn't a redhead streamer. You know what's funny? I don't even really consider myself a streamer. I just think this is like a great way to advertise my game and also advertise my courses and also get my work done. Like I don't know, but I think the reason because my school is growing so much and my game is growing that the streaming is just becoming very natural. But yeah, anyway, what we're gonna do is go back to our final area. Is it gonna load? Come on. There we go. Nope. There we go. Make sure nobody's hit me up. I should be worried about. We're good. Where are the faces? Do you mean like the faces on the text on the right? What are you talking about? Or do you mean the faces? I don't know. What do you mean? That's so funny that your logo is still the red fool thing. That's hilarious. All right. That wasn't supposed to happen. No, like people aren't includes faces in their messages. Oh, I don't know. Oh, you mean the other one? I don't know why it's doing that. I think I just like made like a script to do it. I'm probably gonna need to update it though, because I'm not sure why it's doing that. The chest will not open, seems to be forced shut. 1, 2. Okay. See, now it works. It's because I don't have the power up. But actually, I just don't know if it's an NPC thing. I was not paying attention. Was anybody paying attention to which colors flashed? I totally did not look. I don't know the colors. Does anybody know what it flashed? Because I don't remember. No? Okay, I guess we're gonna fail. I think it was this twice and the one down. No. Dang, chat. I don't like going on lives with so many people because there's no point in typing in chat. That's fair. What's up, cool kid, no blue? How you doing? I hope you're having a good night. This chest will not open. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That is true. I don't like when there's like a ton of people and then you don't like have a chance to talk. So it's kind of good I don't have too many people. But I try to like talk to people as much as I can though. It's your alt? What do you mean alt? I think it was this. Perfect. Yes. A trinket lays in the chest. It boosts health. Blah blah blah. Okay, but I don't like how it just opened it up. Do you know what I'm talking about? Because it shouldn't just open up. Now let's make sure when we come back it still does that. Because that's what I'm actually worried about. Whoa, it glitched. Okay, good. I just want to make sure we can't replay the game. Okay, that worked. Your alter ego? Xavier Fools, Cool Kid, No Blue is your alter ego? I think you just have a massive family, and all your entire family is watching my stream right now. That'd be wild. Xavier viewbotting? Not good. Whoa. Okay. My only worry again is I don't know if I like how it like opens up. Does that make sense? Like it should. I don't like how it opens up automatically after the puzzle. Does that make sense? Like it works great, but I don't think it's good. The authority, the fools, police, the fools. Wild, guys, wild. Okay, but I don't like how you just get the reward instantly and you don't have to go back to the unlocked chest to get it. Does that make sense? Because like what, like that doesn't make any sense. I'm like far away from it. I don't like that. I think we should change that. Also, I think it's because I don't have an NPC like tagging for this. Yeah, because the reason why we can't hit it with the bigger sword is because it's not set to this. Because that makes the weapon shoot out, basically. NPC. Okay, so now these all have it set correctly. Let's save those. I will try to stream earlier, though, guys. I'm sorry. I should stream earlier because it is late. The emojis are so funny. I need to make the emojis, like, what do you call it, like get crazy. Like I want to make the emojis pop up too. I just wonder if it'll actually know if I select those things. There's like a cool software you can use to like make certain things happen, I think, when like with controlling the chat. So maybe we can do that. I just think it'd be cool to program like a little game that plays on the bottom part, like even if it's tiny, like a little game that plays right here. That would be so funny. And then people can play the game, but it's gonna be like spamming. But I need to make it like do it slowly, if that makes sense. That's funny. Quite silly. Okay, but anyway, we have that. Let's go ahead and back, and let's turn on the sword that shoots out the fire, and let's make sure that that will work now that I set this. And then we can fix the other issue, where you just get the reward. I have a feeling, though, that's what the other one did. And that worries me a lot. So, we need to do it the other way. Like, I don't know. It's probably okay. I don't know if it's worth, because I don't know if I did that. I don't know if I did that with the other one. I can't even remember. Okay. Man, we haven't even hit an hour yet and I'm yawning. I'm sorry, guys. But we're getting some progress in. The chest will not open, blah, blah, blah. Does its thing. Good. Because then I can still use the sword. That's a hard one. One there. One there. One there. No! I'm so bad at this game. I also need to adjust it. Okay. Drop all the water guns and spraying flowers, and you are under. What? Even try to make it a running nose. Giant clown shows. Clown shows? I think you meant clown shoes. Oh, nice. Well, have a good night, Xavier. We'll see you next time. I need to be able to do the game right. Have a good night. Nice. Nice. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. See, this is what I'm talking about. You are the definition of fool. Well, you don't have fool in your name though. So I don't know if I trust you, artist. I don't know. A trinket lays in the chest. It boosts base health. But that's the thing. I don't like how I think it should open, freeze the game, and then let you grab it and then give you the reward. I don't like how this is doing it, because this is weird. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but I think it's kind of weird how it's going out like this. Alright, so yeah, I think we should change that logic because that's silly. I think we need to say, like, if it gets all the puzzles right, then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and actually do it like that or whatever. Like, because I think if we just get the reward, like, it makes the game easier technically because then we just can move on, but it just looks really bad if we don't actually go there and do it, if that makes sense. I think that's silly. I think that's silly. Because we just want it to be able to know what to do with that. We want to be able to go back to it. So yeah. Blah. Yeah, I made this from, well, I'm using an asset pack for like most of the art in it. It's called Ninja Adventure Asset Pack. It's on itch.io. You can download for free and use for commercial use. But yeah, I built the entire programming of like everything from scratch. Like, it's been tough, you know, but it's good. I've been working on it for like a year. I think I've put like 500 hours into this game or something. So it's definitely been bigger than I would like it to be, if that makes sense. Like, I meant it not to be this big at all, but I think I just got carried away. But to be fair, now I'm almost done and I really like it. So, you know, sometimes you got to do it like that, you know. But yeah, we don't like how the chest opens. but just comes to kind of show what you can do if you hang in there, you know? It's pretty good. I'm happy with it. Can't complain. Yeah, I knew tonight wasn't going to be as busy as the other nights. I just started too late. I really got to get in the habit of doing this like a little bit earlier, if that makes sense. I'm just doing it too late. Usually I stream like an hour and a half earlier than today, but I don't know what happened. I was just busy. I just got caught up. Yeah, it's tough. But I'll be honest, if you can find the time to do like 20 minutes a day every day, I think you can make it. If you want to like learn how to make games, I have an entire free YouTube course you can take right now. It's on here. It's like 16 hours long. It's a beginner Godot course, and it teaches you how to make your first 3 games. I highly recommend it. It gets a lot of people into it. I think it has like 60,000 views on it too, or something crazy. So, you know, it's pretty good stuff. I'm getting messages. Yeah, but no, you should really get into it. It's really good. It's good for the brain to like get into game making. I think it's a good creative outlet. It's also like technical skill. It's pretty good stuff. Oh, you'll learn. It's so easy. Everybody's always so intimidated by coding. But I'll be honest, it's not as bad as you think. Like, literally, it sounds intimidating, but I promise, after you just do it for a couple weeks, it's gonna flow, you know? It just looks hard because it doesn't look like a language. It looks like numbers, but it's just math. Like, I don't know if you've like ever taken algebra or something like that, but it's literally just like math. It's not hard math. There's not like crazy calculations. It's a little bit of memory, but I think, again, once you do it for a tiny bit, you'll understand how to do it for real. The coding should not be something to be scared about, I promise you. I would say it's even harder, though, to come up with like cool visualization. Not so much the art of it, but like, because you don't really even need to make your own art for game making nowadays. There's so much like free assets you can use and like simple things that can help you make art. Or I don't think art is the hard part, and I don't think art has ever been the hard part, because there's so many games out there that are like super simple looking that do amazing. I really don't think it's the art. I think it's like a combination. I think the art plays like a 20% role in a game. Music plays another 20%, but then like actual like game of the whole thing is the bulk of it. So it's like a 20-20-60 kind of thing. Wow, is my game gonna load? What is happening? Uh-oh, I think it's gonna crash. That's because I'm talking too much. Current save direction. What? I'm messing something up here. Huh. On dot global. Huh. Weird. What did we have it last time? Well, this is the other problem. It's going to get mad at me if I do that. Last input. Current save direction. Line 9. Yes, okay. Current save direction doesn't exist. Why not? No, it won't even let me clear it. Hold on. What? Oh. On my player script. Oh. Oh. Did I just change my player script? Wait, what is this? If you're interested in Unity game development, there's a spectacular Unity tutorial. Hey, no advertising Unity here, duck. This is a Godot place. I'm all about game development, but I'm Team Godot all the way. This is a Godot place, foolish duck. None of that Unity stuff here. That's why you're number 2, not number 1 on the chat. You know, if you were talking Godot, you'd be number 1. I'm sorry, that was rude. Silly. But weird artist, you could if you wanted to. You could do Unity as well. I just think it's so big, man. Like, Unity Hub is like 20 to 50 gigabytes, and then you also need VS Code. No, you don't even need VS Code. You need Visual Studio Code, which is insane. It's huge. It's another 20 gigabyte application. Well, then you have Godot, which is like 80 megabytes, I think, right now. It's not even 100 megabytes yet. When I first had it, it was like 40, but they just kept adding stuff for the 3D stuff. It was crazy. Also, this is not good. The player script is... No, this is fine, actually. Well, but I think it recommends you to use Visual Studio. And Visual Studio is not VS Code, I'm pretty sure. Like, you need the packages, I think, in it, or something crazy. Technically, you could use, like, Notepad too, lol. Yeah, I know. I do like the built-in editor, though, with Godot. It's so nice. It looks very scrunched right now, but to be honest, this is my streaming setup, if that makes sense. He doesn't even know what VS Code... See, that's the other thing, Foolish Duck, is, like... Some people getting into programming, I feel like, get really overwhelmed by downloading so many different applications, like, and setting up multiple applications, because, like, even, like, setting up, like, Prettier and, like, a whole bunch of export plugins is just a lot to deal with, I think, for somebody that just wants to make a game. And I feel like out of the box, Unity is just a lot. And I don't know, I think it's very uncomfortable for beginners. At least what I've been noticing, because that's another reason why I switched to Godot, is because Unity was really hard for me to get new students for. Like, I know it's like a little bit more known in the industry, but like for people who just want to like start making a game one day, I think it's a lot of work. No, it's not that bad, but it's still, I would say it's still like significantly harder than Godot, because Godot is just like literally 80 megabytes. It runs on every single platform, but it's just overwhelming, I think, to use Unity a little bit sometimes. I completely forgot what I was working on here. But man, you are a diehard fan for Unity, it looks like, Foolish Duck. Have you just like always used Unity, or like why do you like Unity specifically? Is it the coding language? What is your forte? Also, why was this broken? We had an error that I don't remember. And it happened because I changed the script. I don't think it was in my script. It's still gonna glitch out, but what is... Yeah, it's totally not liking this. Global current saved direction. Oh. Huh. That doesn't exist. Invalid access to property. So it doesn't think this exists. Why? Did I like get rid of it? And I don't remember. That's weird. Did I get rid of, or is it spelled incorrectly? I think it's totally spelled incorrectly. Okay. That's not global, is it? It's totally global. What in the world? That's why, because we pasted that in here. Ah. I am a ding-dong. I'm so silly. I knew something silly happened. Let's see. I really like the way Unity is organized. It makes a lot of sense to me, and I'll take C# over Python any day. That's funny, because I think I was using C# so much that I was getting really sick of it. But I guess, I don't know. I guess Python looks worse. I think that's what a lot of people I've noticed complained about it, is that it just like Python looks sloppy. But I think that's because it's so easy to just do it, if that makes sense. Like, I think any language is the same. I'll be honest, the only language I really don't like, and I have had to use it, is I really don't like Java, and then C++ is aggravating. I would still choose C++ over Java, but man, is it tough to just do things with, I think. I found the basic game object component structure to be super intuitive, but that's, you know what's really funny is the Godot totally does the same thing because everything's a node. And I used to literally call these game objects, but everything is literally a node. I'm telling you, you should try making a small game with Godot, Foolish Duck, and it's pretty much the same thing, except like not nearly as like compute powerful, if that makes sense. That's my one thing. As like it's like a lower. It has like lower. But that's the thing. It's like if you program your game well, though, you don't need high power. Like most of us are indie devs or small team devs. Nobody's gonna be making a massive like AAA game out of the box right now. You know, maybe your like third or fourth or fifth game, maybe. But ultimately, like, I don't know, I just think it's just a lot of stuff that's great for super big industry teams. But I just think as indie devs or like small people, it just makes more sense. But then again, you know, it is what it is. Like, I don't know. I don't like not using open source. I think that's the thing that actually bothers me the most, is just the non-open source. Because I didn't really know much about open source stuff until I like started finishing up school. Because colleges don't teach you a lot of open source, or at least my college didn't. So I just didn't understand like the rules, and I was like, wow, these rules kind of suck for like not open source stuff. Like, I know it's like they don't take money from you until you make more than like $1 million, but I don't know. I don't like that. It's weird because I'm like, I don't want to have to pay in case this ever blows up, you know? But I don't know. Yeah, no hate on Godot. Unity as a company alone is enough of a reason to switch to Godot. Yeah, because they're like publicly traded now. Like, it's just weird to me because they start off as this really cool, like small company and now they're big, which I guess it makes sense. It means they did something right. But I think the reason why Unity got so popular is they were the only option. I think that's literally why. Like, they were literally the only option. And I think that's something that they were really good at doing, because I think Unreal Engine was like not available for everybody. And to be honest, to this day, Unreal Engine is pretty uncomfortable. I feel like I took a course on in college with it, and I didn't really like it that much. It was just a lot also. Me and my friend Felix made a game on Scratch, but he did all the coding. I just came up with the idea, and it was just space invaders with an alien that follows you. I like that though, but that's where you kind of start though, artists. You gotta start small like that, and then you just work your way up. And it won't take that long. Like, it will take just like a couple months, but then you can make some like really cool stuff. It's really cool. It's pretty cool. I like it. Let's go here. Bing. Yeah, Unreal, well, the only really good thing about Unreal Engine, and this is why most people really like it, is one, a lot of super DevOps heavy engineers love it because it uses C++, obviously, which is like, again, like if you're a very back-end engineer and that's just your whole life, then you're gonna love it because C++ is so nice for that. Like, if you want to know how everything works to a T, then that's good. But I think for somebody who doesn't know how to code, obviously, like, that would be horrifying to look at. Like, you know, like me and you, Foolish Duck, sound pretty experienced. So for us, it probably wouldn't be that much of a change. But I still feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it would be a lot, you know, for a newbie. And I think that's the biggest thing that why these don't, like, they don't last that long, is because you have to be able to attract, like, new devs and not overwhelm them. Well, what's up, Bone? How you doing? How's your night going, Bone? Hope you're doing good. I'm by no means experienced with C++. Lol. Yeah, but that's the thing. But that's the thing about coding, and I hate when anybody uses coding as an excuse not to do something, especially with game dev. It's all the same. It's all integers. It's all functions. It's all loops. It's just all the same stuff, you know? 40 years ago, there was no operating system, no UI, it was basic in assembly. You know, I've always wanted to learn how to use assembly because, like, there's some legendary games I played with assembly, like, obviously Roller Coaster Tycoon, and that was freaking awesome. The amount of power that game can handle and the little people, like, it's insane. That game was so efficient, it's insane. And then another game that used assembly code, I don't know if it did in the newer versions, but, like, definitely in, like, the base versions, Age of Empires 1 and 2, dude, those were so cool, and they definitely used assembly, because how do you manage, like, 1,200, like, single idle units? Like, you know what I mean? Like, that is crazy. So, like, I think it'd be so cool to, like, figure that out, but that would be if I had, like, all the time in the world, I would do something like that where I teach people how to make an assembly game. I think that would be wild, you know? But yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, but, you know, it is what it is. We're doing good tonight, Go. Hey, everybody, please, though, like the video if you can. I would appreciate that. All programming is the same to a certain extent, but with lower level language stuff like pointers and memory shenanigans seem pretty intimidating. Yeah, but that's the thing, though. It's like, what are you making? You know what I mean? Because, like, if you want to be making, like, extremely heavy back-end systems, which are probably, I would say, out of, like, all the things developed in the world, especially the things that make money, I bet it's, like, 10 to 5% of all, like, systems or softwares are made with that level of intensity, and that is, like, PhD level, like, people who spend, like, 10 years learning, like, the super base level and how to, like, you know, build stuff like that, you know? Even, like, I don't know, even LLMs, I feel like, are not as complicated as we have thought. But that's what I mean. That's why it's, like, it's important to understand that, like, the surface layer is okay to learn, you know? But if you are somebody who's trying to get to, like, PhD level, not saying you need a PhD I'm just saying that as, like, an extent of, like, experience and commitment, you know, of, like, 4 to, like, well, not even 4 years. I think it's, like, 6 years minimum, but, like, 6 to 12 years of, like, intense training and studying, like, then yeah, you probably will work on the top, like, 10 to 5% of systems. But I don't know, I'm personally not trying to go that way. I want to stay, like, on the, like, other spectrum of that stuff, if that makes sense, personally, because I don't know, I like it. I like making things, if that makes sense. I like making things I can show my friends and all that stuff. Yeah, that's why I never bothered with trying C++. Yeah, it's just like, I just have never needed it. I've never needed to use it. That's why I use Python all the time. I use TypeScript all the time. All that stuff. As a 40-year-old guy, I have a tool chain today that is all open and free. In the early days, an engine was easily 200K. Maya was 20K. Photop was 1K. I know, isn't that crazy? Like, there's so many other tools now where it's like money's not even an excuse. Like, Godot's free, and it's pretty much the same thing as Unity. So are all the other engines to an extent. There's just so much more stuff you can do it with now. What's up, Aliens W? How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Thankfully, compilers have only gotten better. over the years. So even in Python, you can have really optimized code. Most machine learning, like, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce that right, but PyTorch, Python Torch is done with Python. Now languages you pick is coming down to preference. That's what I'm saying. But and don't get me wrong, this code here, I don't know if you've been looking at it, is sloppy as heck. But that's because it's just like I've been lazy. I've just been throwing in functions in a million if statements and loops. But it does work pretty efficiently. It works really well. And it's made me this entire RPG. Like, I don't know. You know, I think my next couple games I'm going to really, really try my best to not do what I did in this game, because it's been a journey. There is an era of Python with machine learning or automata studies. However, LLMs are a small slither of a large subset. Yeah, I agree with that. I agree. Oh, my cats are walking around. Boop. Yeah, but no, I think it's getting better. And I don't know. As much as people are like worried about like the competition and stuff, I think at the end of the day too, like if you really love it and you want to do it, then just do it, you know? That's what I think. But you gotta like put work into it. It's not, I don't know, it's hard, you know? It's getting more competitive because it's getting more, it's just getting more people, you know? More people are, what do you call it? Just, you know, it's just, people are able to work remote now. But that's what I think is like, if we have all these new ways of doing things, yeah, it's fun to make stuff. That's all I'm trying to say. When it comes down to indie game development, just making ugly code that works seems to be the best approach. Lol. That is true. Like, no one sees what's going on in the back end. And most people who play the game, you know, saturated market, I guess, but I don't know. It's mostly garbage, though. That's what I kind of don't care. Like, I don't let it really affect me mentally, because I love this stuff. Like, I probably work on, like, programming stuff, like, all day long, regardless. And if you could, like, put me in a room and I could pick what I get to do for the next week, I would just do this, you know, because I love this, and that's what life's all about. Find what you love to do and just do it. You know, do it, be the best at it, be the best you can be at it, and then you'll be able to, you know, get that job you want or get that income you want, all that fun stuff. But yeah, hopefully this works now. 1, 2. Ugh, I have to remember how to play this game. Was it 2? Ah! No! Soka released a document recently about 3 years of LLMs on Steam. Oh no. That's not good. I hope it's okay. I don't know. I feel like one of those people, though, that is just like just use it as documentation or use it as, like, Google. Like, I use it like Google searching. I'll have it make me, like, small little functions or, like, little scripts I need to do stuff because I'm too lazy to do it. But I still believe, though, like, I don't know. I feel like the internet is so... Man, I'm so bad at my own game. Trying to, like, do this puzzle. One big takeaway is that Sloperator will take more shots at titles, whereas a real dev takes one shot. Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. I wouldn't let it affect me, though, or I wouldn't let it affect you either. Like, if you love doing this and this is what you like to do, if you like coding and you like developing things, then you're gonna be fine. You know, people worry about stuff a little too much. You know, because passion is worth more than, I would even say passion's worth more than skill, if that makes sense. The person who is more passionate will always outperform the people with more of everything else, because personality sells too. It's not just skill. It's not just, like, you need kind of the whole thing, and that human part is really valuable. Also, I'm never gonna beat this game. I have no idea how I'm gonna win this. I just thought of the best name for a game. Yeah, what name did you think about, artist? You seem very artistic, so you probably have a lot of good names. 1, 1, 2, 3. I wish I could remember to do my puzzle. I keep on looking over and I'm like forgetting it. I have really bad short-term memory at nighttime. So a slop raider will take about 3 shots compared to 1 as a real dev. But that's what I mean though, like you gotta be ambitious. But I think that's with any industry though. That's not even just with the programming industry. I think that's with every industry. Wow, it just did the same one every time. All right, we gotta do the next one. 1, 2. Okay, it was this one, 2 of these, and then this one. Yes, okay, that's what I wanted. For me personally, game development and programming is something I do as a hobby, so I don't find using AI appealing. Well, it's more fun to just write code. Hey, if that floats your boat, then go for it. Like, don't get me wrong, I like coding, I like developing, but if AI is gonna help me make a little script that opens the chest up, I'll do it. I don't care. I like developing, and I think that's my favorite thing. I like the coding because the coding allows me to develop, so coding doesn't like make me shy about things, I guess. But I just think at the end of the day too, as long as you're making something and being creative, like, yeah, if you just type into a chat of AI build me X, Y, and Z, and then that's it, I don't think you're using your creative like energy for it. I think you need to be making something a little bit more complex then, you know. But I think if you're, oh, there we go. What? Huh? Why did we come here? Okay. Interesting. But no, I feel that. Like, I don't know. I think my difference is, though, this is my career and it's also like my passion, so I want to do it all. I would assume the quality of those shots varies greatly. Would 100 of those sloperator shots be worth even 1 real developer attempt? But that's the thing, though, is like, I think when you are aiming at so many things, like, I don't know, the person who takes the most shots is probably going to be the person who, like, I think it's like a scale, if that makes sense. Sorry, I didn't even see your name. Weird Artist. Trail and Error. I like that name a lot. That's really cool. I like that name a lot. You should make that game. You should do it. Download Godot right now while we're talking, all right? And get to work on it, all right? That's what you should do. Do it for the Red Fool. But anyway, I would assume the quality of those shots vary greatly. I don't know. I really think that it's one of those things, like, well, what's your goal? What's your end goal? You know what I mean? Is the end goal to get the best job? Is it to get the best high-paying job? There's so many other factors that go with that. Is about getting the best money. Like, you can't really go, like, what is the goal? Because I feel like if you're somebody trying to make the most money, I don't know. I think in the world of programming and development, I think the way you're going to make, like, an insane amount of money, if that's the goal, is to learn how to develop things and then either one, get with a company who's going to give you equity or some kind of sales, I guess, percentage, or make your own thing and make it big on the side. I think that's the only actual way, because I think that the time of, like, just, I don't know, being complacent with programming and, like, getting a dead-end job is, I don't know, it's hard. It's hard to stay mentally in there. I think that's the biggest thing. It's like, it just drains you mentally unless you are really stimulated. It's all about energy levels, you know? I think that's how you can kind of end up with that. It's mixed, yeah. Every span of the developer's circle all get a pair of waking legs. A senior dev with AI goes further. Someone begging for code gets slop. But that's the thing. It's like, I think that is a huge testimony of, like, what has been going on. I'm excited because, like, more developers means, like, more friends who I can relate to, more people I can collaborate with, more students I can teach because I run an education company for coding and blah, blah, blah. So, like, but I guess if you're a worker and you're worried about your job or you're worried about getting other jobs, like I said, passion is the number one thing that sells. And I don't just mean you're passionate. I mean you are actively passionate in programming, you know? Like, if you're actively programming things, like, and are coming up with new ideas for your company, or maybe the company you're working for, or the side projects if you're actually showing that passion, I think you'll be perfectly fine and you'll outperform all those other people, because passion is definitely the most important thing. You know, don't chase the money. You know, it's important to have the money, but I definitely think you got to be passionate, or you're just going to be miserable. You know, yeah. I don't know. I'm all about passion. That's my number one thing. Trail and error. I spelled it wrong, but no, I read it right though. Artist. I think that's a cool name. I'm telling you, you should start. You know, there's never a wrong time to learn something new. You know, and learn through your game idea. I'm telling you, game development is my favorite type of development. Like, I think I always knew I was going to be some kind of engineer, but I just love game development though, because it allows you to literally control all the physics of doing something. Like, there's not really limitations, really. Like, you can kind of figure a way how to do almost anything on a virtual screen. It's really fascinating, I think. But yeah. Good stuff. I hope I'm getting better at this streaming thing. I'm trying to. I feel like it fits my personality very well because I'm a very talkative person. I think my computer has struggles, clearly. But, you know, that's okay. Okay, I need to test one more thing. I don't know why the door... I think we have 2 doors here. Because remember when I went through the door and it sent me back to the beginning? That was funny. Foolish Duck said, I thought Trail and Error sounded cool too. For like some hiking related game, lol. Yeah, I'm a weird artist. If you're still on here, what's your plan for your game? Tell me your plan. I like game ideas. Bone, one big element I see in this era is, sure, there are a lot of games. However, no one is auto-testing the game. It is made and then left open for interpretation. No unit tests, no autoplay today. Oh yeah. But that's what all the slop is. Like, that's the thing. It's like, people are probably putting out games like with no depth and then clearly no testing. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna test this game like crazy, but I definitely should have been better with unit testing. I definitely have tested the game a lot. To be fair, my game is so simple though. Like, I'm not like making a big game, but I don't know. I don't give big companies an excuse for having bad games. They're like, these big companies that have multi-billion-dollar budgets, and then it comes out as like garbage. You know what I mean? That's what I'm like Pokemon. Like, I don't know. Not to bash other game developing companies, I guess, but I don't know. I'm not really a huge fan of like a lot of the new Nintendo stuff that's come out. Like, I don't know. I just haven't been like blown away, you know. And I feel like Nintendo is like one of the number one in the world, and it's very baffling to me that like I put them at a high standard because they should be the standard. You know what I mean? Of innovation specifically, because I don't think they've really made games that are like specifically like super beautiful looking, or their music is really good, but like they have never sold us on those concepts. They sold us on concepts of innovation, and that is very strange how they just haven't done too much innovation in a while, when that is the reason why people like Nintendo so much, is because of the innovation they added into their games. So I think the games are fine, but that innovation standpoint is what blows my mind, because stuff like that's crazy to me. Yeah. But anyway, my head is being flooded with ideas, and I love it. And the best thing to do for that, artist, is to write them down, because if you write things down, they'll actually stick with you. So write down your ideas. My wife is from Japan. Game dev there is soulless and bound to manuals / Bibles. That's awesome, though. I've always wanted to go to Japan. I would love it. One day I'll go. One day. A lot of gameplay testing for me is having a debugger to do only 3 things: load custom saves, spawn, despawn things, and frame rate limits. Get most of the core issues for me. That's fair. That's fair. If the game is like not massive, then yeah, I would say so. You are worker on their desk? What? I don't know what that means. Oh, you are a worker on their desk. Well, yeah, that's what I mean. I think that's what happens with any big company after a while. Like, but then to be fair, big companies pay pretty good, so I see the enticement. But, you know, I just hope everybody ends up doing what they want to do, you know? Like, I don't really think it's necessarily about the money. I just hope they get paid enough to live, and I hope they just don't hate it, you know? I hope they are not hating it. After the debugger era, you develop your own terminal pull-down console. I have one from the 80s that has changed code about 20 times over the years with new standards. I love it. That's awesome. Man, you sound really experienced. That's awesome. I think I've been coding and making games since I was a kid, but I've only been working in the professional industry for like, I don't know, 5 years I think now. So still pretty fresh, I'd say. I think once I hit my 10-year mark, I'll be extremely competent. Okay, it's so laggy. It's also really laggy because I'm using a really old computer. I'm using literally a laptop to do all this streaming, and I have like so many things plugged in and all this fun stuff. But that's cool. Making your own console is awesome. The one thing I want to test here is I want to make sure that if I leave the door and come back after winning the puzzle, it doesn't like break the game. So I have a feeling it's going to break the game. Okay. I think it was this one. It's like a lightsaber build for a Jedi. That's awesome. I love Star Wars, man. I was watching the old ones yesterday. Like, I'm talking like episode 4 and 5. It's just a breath of fresh air, you know? They're so nostalgic. And I don't hate the new stuff. I'll be honest, I recently watched Solo, the one about Han Solo. And it was really good. I must have for all games. That's awesome. I love Star Wars, though. Star Wars holds a special place in my heart. Okay. Gotta make sure this works. Cool. Ugh, I don't think I remembered that one. The last one always gets me. Ugh. I want to make a game like this because it seems the easiest and more... Do you mean the game like the one I'm making right now, or do you mean another game? But yeah, you could totally make this kind of game. This is like an RPG. It's pretty classic style. That's kind of what I did it, because remember, this game is based off my friend's book, and this is like a tribute to him. So that's why I'm making this whole game to begin with. And to be honest, it's pretty motivating. I don't think I would have been able to make this whole game if I didn't have like my friend to do it for, if that makes sense. Yeah, he wrote a book that this is off. Godot is so small, you can run it in a RAM disk. I tested it on a Nunk Celeron with 4 gigs RAM plus sets. Dude, my first ever game I made was like on a 4 RAM laptop from Walmart. It was so cool. That's why that's my favorite thing with software, is when you can make like super cool things in like a tiny way. I don't know why, but like that, for some reason, it seems so cool to me. Because I feel like there's so much waste in compute and all this stuff. A RAM disk makes it fast again if you run Potato class Starship. Interesting. I don't know what that is, but it sounds cool. No, my computer's so laggy right now because I have a million things running, and OBS and all this other streaming stuff. Alright, I gotta remember this. 1, 2, 1. Okay, 2 here. This is so I don't have to do this again. Yep. Oh, no. Okay, it does it. It opens it. This is what I was testing. I want to be able to leave, come back, good. I think it worked. Okay, good. Because I wanted to make sure that did this. Do you make the music yourself, or does someone make it for you? I'll be honest, a lot of this music came with that free asset pack that I had, that Ninja Adventure asset pack. I'm telling you, you should look. It's like my favorite. Let me grab it for you because it's really cool. It's really cool. It has like a bunch of sprites. He's like my favorite artist, but he has this really awesome commercial for use. So it means you can make it with like your own games and stuff. It's so cool. It has music in it, has maps. You gotta check it out, guys. It's really cool. Let me put it in the chat. Here, check it out. It's really cool. Bookmark this asset pack. It's literally my favorite asset pack you can use. Ah, man, is it gonna... Hold on. It didn't copy it. Give me a second. That's funny. It like copied like the content of the URL, but not. It was so weird. I don't know why it did that. Here we go. I'll send this to the thing. You guys should check this out. It's like literally my favorite asset pack, and it's so cool. And it's commercial free use, which means, you know, we can actually use it in our games and stuff. You just can't resell it. Is it gonna go in there? It's acting all funny. Hold on, I was opening up a bunch of stuff. That's why it's acting all slow. Let's see. There you go. But no, that asset pack is awesome. It's literally my favorite asset pack for 2D games. It's so good. It has like so many different sprites. Literally, I feel like 90% of the art in this game is from that asset pack. I've definitely customized a lot of the art in it to like match the characters in the book, but that one is awesome. It has sound effects, it has music, backgrounds, fonts. It has literally everything. Yeah, but it's pretty cool. I like it. Oh guys, if you're on though, please like the video and subscribe. Please. The more you guys do that, the more I can stream and the more support, so I'll keep making my games and school and blah blah blah. But please like and subscribe if you have not already. I would really appreciate it. What are we at? We at 2 hours? I always try to go to about 2 hours. Have a good night, artist. I hope you sleep good. But check out that asset pack. It's pretty good. And start making your game. I'm telling you, you'll like it. It'll be worth it. I'm going to hit that 2 hour mark and then I'll probably wrap up as well. I got about 10 minutes though. We're kind of hanging out for a minute more. Yep. Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. All right, so we got this done. What device is this game targeting? It's actually going to be for both. It's going to be for PC and mobile. I set up mobile controls, and I also obviously have PC controls because that's how I've been playing, but let me show you the mobile controls. I'm honestly just going to put it on the Android store just because it's so cheap to put it there, and then I can like show my friends on my own phone. But I won't be like, and this game's not going to have like, what do you call it? It's not going to have like it's not even going to be like an online game. Like it's not going to have any onlineness about it. It's going to be completely offline. But it looks pretty cool though. Like let me show you. I think I put it in here. Yeah, I have like all these other controls and they do work. I've already tested them and everything. I think it's like this. Yeah, so we have like we're going to have a joystick on the left that's a little transparent, and then we have like our 3 buttons. So we have our like interact / attack button, we have a shield button, and then that little button for, what do you call it? Like boosting. So like we have like a dash button basically. But no, it's going to be both mobile and PC. But it does, and it works. It's like it's not crazy. To be honest, I doubt it'll get a lot of Android sales or whatever because it's mostly a PC game, but I just wanted to show my friends and family when it comes out. And just say I was able to do it, honestly. Just adding more to the resume. But my next game is going to be really cool. I'm excited to start working on my next game. This game should be done in a couple days. I have like 2 more kind of big things to do, but it's not like that big. It's like a session and a half. I have one more like like mini game area I need to make, kind of like the one I just made. It's probably going to be literally the same one, actually. It's going to be, actually, I don't think it's actually going to be a mini game. It's going to be like a hidden door you find where you get your potion. It's going to be a chest that's sitting there. But it'll be cool. I'm excited. I am excited. It's going to be cool, but this works good. The only other thing we need to do is we need to add the code to give us whatever bonus, and I think we were going to do attack bonus for this one, so we need to handle that. I think in the player script, if I remember. So we're going to handle that in the player script. Or not the player, we're going to handle it in the player, but we're going to handle it in the UI stuff. So trinket script is over here. And how we did it is we have points for every power-up we get. And this one is going to be for 6, I'm pretty sure, and I don't think we added it yet. Well, it might be this one. I don't actually know. I don't know. I just know we need 7 of them. But that shouldn't be health, because we should have, okay, we have 1 health. Again, this is sloppy code. Okay, we need 1 health, 2 health, 3 health. And I think what we did is we messed this up. Because I think we skipped a number. We have 0, we don't have 2. And I think that's what we messed up. Because I think this is going to be 6, and honestly, I'm okay with it being 6. That's okay with me. But we need another one, specific. Because I'm pretty sure these need to be correct numbers. So, okay. What if this is 2, and that's what... No, we do have 2, but we named 2 for 3. I don't know why we... Whoa, I thought everything crashed. But no, we're doing good. We're doing good. Today was a late night for me, though. Usually I don't do it this late. But we're doing good. We are doing good. Okay, so this one, though, I think is going to be... It should be number 7. I don't know why we have 7 here. I think it's because we changed it. Because I'm worried that we did it incorrectly with the other one, if that makes sense. Okay, because I think it's 6 for the one we just made. Yeah, we messed up a little bit here. Trinket 2 is for 3. That's not good. We have 2 for 3. See what I mean? We messed up the trinket count. Well, we're going to need to go into the trinket count and figure out. All I know is the new one here is supposed to be for this one, for 7. Because I think if I go to trinket page, we have 7 objects. Oh, we have 8. Ooh, that's not good. So wait, 1. Honestly, I guess it doesn't really matter. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I don't think the last one was 7. I think that was 6, and we messed it up. It's going to be capital house, I think. Capital house, capital house, capital house, capital house. Pretty sure it's in here. And then it's the capital side mission. Cool. Okay, let that load. What do we need to do now? Okay, this is where we need to figure this out. It's gonna be global. Completed, okay. Oh, it was 7. Why did we do that? Did I think it was not gonna work? That's so silly. See, look how sloppy this junk is. Horrible. Who made this? I did. Alright. We got 7. So for some silly reason, we use 7 for this one. So we need to use 8 for the other one. Technically. For it to work correctly. Ugh, that sucks. That's okay though. Okay, so I say we fix it on the player script first. Here we go. So we go back to player script, and we go to... No. It wasn't even on player script. It's on the other one, I'm pretty sure. It's gonna be on Trinket's page, I think. Okay. And then we need to do this. So this is the capital one. Yeah, I like how I labeled that for no reason. No reason at all. Such a sloppy mess. I love my thousands of if statements. Oh, this is gonna go down in history as the sloppiest game I've ever made, but it's okay. Because it's still a game. And I'm pretty sure... I think we need to equal to 1. I think. Yeah. Okay, and then this is for 7. Wow. That's for 8. And I'm pretty sure the one we're missing is for mana. So we have 1 mana, 2 mana. We have 1 attack, 2 attack. Okay, no, this one we were going to do attack, I remember. Okay, let's do attack points. Attack points, perfect. Okay, good. Alright, that works for that. And I did copy the code. Is it going to load? Probably. Okay, good. Then we're going to go ahead. There we go. Is it gonna load? Probably. Okay. Now we need to find the code we're looking for. That's not it. It's gonna be 8 and we're equaling it to 1. It's gonna be this. Why do we have so many of these? Okay, 8. And then we're going to do it again. There's 4 of these in here. I don't know why. 8. 8. This is just turning off all the checks. Because if we have 8, then we know we already got the potion, or whatever it's called. Cool, that worked. Okay. So that's what we're going to do for that. So this will still work technically. It'll give us the correct one. My only worry is the other ones that are all messed up, because one of them is totally messed up. We're missing one. I don't know which one, but we need to add a new one, and I'll do that on the down low. It's fine. It's not going to be that hard to add or remove, I think, technically. Okay, we're looking good though. I'm okay with this. Okay, because now we just need one for the mana, and I think we're going to get the mana increase. I think we'll get it for... it's a back-to-back mana one. That's the problem. That's what's going to be tough about this. What's up, Silent? How you doing? 14 likes and 30 people watching. Exactly. Unbelievable, guys. You haven't liked the video? You know why? It's because there's no like button. And it's hard to find the like button, I think. Honestly. I don't really know why it's so hard to find the like button. Oh, not the fools. The fools are coming back. Silent, what did you do? What did you do, Silent? The fool army. No. Oh no. It's so late. I'm only gonna be doing this though for I literally have 1 minute left. Silent alerted them. The yellow fool, capital Y and F. Oh, I don't know if I can leave now though if everybody's here. Avocado Studio. You know how many studio people we've had in here, by the way? What's up, Avocado Studio? We've had a lot of studio people in here. No problem. Thanks, Bone. Thanks for the good conversation. I think, I don't know. I was going to end it at like 2 hours in, but now you guys are all chatty right when I want to get off. How are you guys up so late? Because I know I'm up late. That means you guys are all up really late. 07. I don't know what 07 means. I probably should figure that out. Leon Rush, you're here too. What's up, Leon? Yes, yes, yes. Let's find the hard to find like button. Yeah, where is the hard like button? It is hard to find because you have to like close the whole chat and then come back. It's stupid. They should just add it like on the bar. I don't know why, or like let you double click it like they used to. I think it's easy if you're on PC. Or I guess if you're on the phone too. We all are peeking other devs, LMAO. Peeking other devs? What does that mean? Oh, I guess peeking, like you're a studio dev. Ah, that is true. I do it all. I also do it. Like I'll just look up like YouTube Live Godot and I'll just like check out other people building stuff. That's kind of what I do. But yeah, we gotta support each other though, guys. We're all just a big old dev community. I don't know. I think it's just also natural for us to like seek out other devs because I don't know about you guys, but it is not easy finding other devs. I think it's because we all work so isolated, you know? Like even most of our day jobs are remote work, so it's like it's kind of hard to like meet people that also like to do what we do. Which is surprising because I've never really met too many game devs in real life. Well, I've met game devs at like coffee shops more than I've met them at my actual jobs, which I think is crazy because like game dev is like I don't know, maybe it's just a me thing, but like I think it's like one of the funnest types of software development. But I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Most of the people like I don't know who, so close to 150 XP. Wario time. Wario time. Thanks for the whatever this is called. Now I gotta stay on. Now I'm getting paid to stay on, guys. Alright, well, you bought another 10 minutes. It's so silly. That's funny. Uh-oh. Page unresponsive. That's because I have other browsers open. Oh no! Oh, I just didn't get disconnected. The money broke things, guys. So close. I know, my average streams are going up like crazy. I'm just silly because I could have done this. I needed to start streaming earlier. It's like my own fault because if I just stream earlier, you know what I mean? If I just stream earlier, I'll get way more people. Once I find another game dev in real life, it's friends for life. Well, if you can find one, I don't know. It's just very isolated. I've been trying to get my coworker to just download Godot. I know, man. It's like we had another guy on here, and he was like, I have all these game ideas. And like, I was like, just download Godot then. It's free. Get going. You can even download it on your phone. You can play it on Steam. You know what I mean? Like, we can get a night stream if we keep doing Wario time. Yeah, if you guys gift me more, I'll stay on later. If you gift me more, every gift I'll stay on like longer. Because if I'm getting paid probably like cents. But you know, if I get super chats, I'll stay way longer. We can get night stream if we keep going. Wario time. What if I just keep going Wario time? I'm not even wearing the Wario hat too. Looking for a game developer outside is like looking for an alien underground. It is tough. I don't know. Like I said, I bumped into them on weird places. Like I'll see one at like a coffee shop, and like one guy came up to me because I was working on my game at a coffee shop, and he was like, oh, are you building a game? He's like, oh, me too. The only thing is he totally wasn't using Godot. I think he like built his own engine or something. But that's kind of crazy because I don't know. Like I've been interested in doing that, but it sounds like the biggest headache in the world. Every Wario time equals 10 minutes. So that means if somebody gives me like how many Wario times, somebody calculate how many Wario times it would take for me to do this for another 10 hours. How many Wario times would it be for 10 hours? Yeah. Oh my gosh, Wario time, Wario time, Wario time. Why is there so many Wario times? Let's go, guys. Yep, I guess I'm not getting off anytime soon. Alright, well, I'm gonna get comfy. I should have made a cup of coffee. No way. Let's go, baby. Let's go. One time, I don't even know. One of these days I'll actually play a game. One of these days I'll play a game. Guys, get your wallets out. Oh, everybody's donating. All right, let's go. Right at the end. That's crazy. If I wasn't on, I wouldn't have got money. Come on, guys. Top it off. Yellow Fool's in the lead right now. Somebody better take Yellow Fool's lead by donating. Who wants number 1? People who use a custom engine are on another level to some extent, though it's just unnecessary in 9 to 10 cases. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, but I like the ambition, but holy guacamole, like, it's crazy. It's crazy. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to, like, it's just, it takes forever, but I do get it. Like, you know what I mean? Okay, so, oh my gosh, Silent, you did the math. All right, let's see. So by logic, if you use formula, 2 divided by 500 equals 250 times 10 would equal 2,500 minutes divided by 60 equivalent to 41, aka 41 hour streams. No, but like how many? But how many super likes do we need? How many super How many? I don't know. I don't even know how to ask the question, but you get what I'm saying. There, you guys are funny. Let's go. I love how I'm like, look, I should look at something better. If I'm gonna talk to you guys nonstop, I should look at something cool. That's like bright. I feel like if I have brightness on the screen, everything will be nice. Oh, like the cool sunflower pictures. Yay, that looks cool. Yeah. That's so funny you just did this math. I don't know if this math is real though, Silent. Did you actually calculate this correctly or did you just Oh, I think you did calculate it. Divided by 60 equals 41, aka 41 hours stream. So we need 41 super thingies. Oh, that makes more sense then. I understand. Well, that's cool. That's awesome. Dang. Party's getting started. You guys are silly. You guys are silly. I don't know. Why are people taking my name? That's funny. All the fools. So many fools. So many fools. So many fools. Can I give myself an emoji? Oh, it won't let me. That'd be kind of funny. It can. Getting paid $12 an hour to keep the stream going isn't a bad gig. That is true. That is pretty good. And I just like wonder, more than federal minimum wage. Yeah. So if you guys pay me like $7.45, I'll be getting the federal minimum wage. So I'm getting paid. Wow. I'm a top earner. I think getting paid like anything on YouTube makes you in like a 10%, because I think most channels just don't make any money at all, if that makes sense. But that's fair. It's really hard. It's really weird. Like, even shorts, like, I don't understand shorts and stuff, but I've been trying to pump out as many shorts as I can. It's actually gotten really easy. They've added, like, a bunch of cool, like, clipping buttons, if that makes sense. So I think it's going good, though. I have fun with it, though. It's fun to make connections and all that stuff. Divide by 4 would equal 625 divided by 60, and you get AKA 10-hour stream. Exactly. If I got 625 super likes, I would just keep going. I would call out of work the next day and just keep streaming. That would be insane. I would feel bad. Using a value of 250 minutes. Silent, what is your origin? What? I think he's just a game dev or something. I don't know. Yellow Fool, why you trying to find people's business? How about, who are you, Yellow Fool? You're the one that took my name and my literal, like, logo. My origin is a $500 donation. That would be awesome. I hope I get a $500 donation. I hope you guys like the video. How many likes are we at? We have 125 views, but we have like probably less than 20 likes right now, guys. Tell people to like the video. Come on. Let's like it up. I want to hit 50 likes one stream. That'd be so fun. I'm going to be candid as an enjoyer of your stream that your shorts leave some room for improvement. Now, I do agree. I think I need to get better at making the shorts, but I think it still helps get people to know I'm like being active about it, if that makes sense. I think the content in the shorts isn't horrible. Like, it's kind of like whatever, but I think my lighting is kind of messed up. I think, like, I don't know, there's definitely some editing I could do. I'm gonna probably take a course on it or something, or like watch a couple other videos. I think my color, I like increased the color contrast today, and that's why I think the actual picture looks a lot better. To be fair too, my setup is just a little laggy, if that makes sense. So like, I think my lagginess is a little bit, but I do need to make better shorts. I just don't know. I don't know how yet. I'm just kind of experimenting to see if I like it. Yeah. But yeah, stuff's good though. Stuff's good, guys. I have done little to no work, but I did get done that puzzle, and I figured out what we have to do for the future. So we need to do one more puzzle. So total of $125, get 10-hour stream. I don't think so, because super likes are $2. For a 10-hour stream, that's insane. I should do a live subscriber countdown at the end of the stream, but updates per super chat. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I need to definitely adjust stuff. I never touched a script in my entire life. You should. Scripts are good. You should do some scripting. I can probably do a subscriber count. I gotta figure that out. I finished 6th grade 6 months. Oh my gosh. Well, that's good. Congrats. Yellow Fool is nuts. He's taking my image. At least he didn't say Yellow Fool's game dev. That would be really crazy. Wild, guys. Wild. Skull. A lot of shorts feel a bit too short. Well, like there's not really a complete idea, expression in shorts, if that makes sense. It's 1 a.m. No, I think I do need more depth. I do. I think I'll have to like just add more things to them, because I think they are just not exactly they're just not exactly as fulfilling as I feel like they should be. Like, there's definitely some more stuff I need to add to them, but I'm getting better at it. I think like I went from like not making any to now making like a couple a day, but I definitely need more depth in each short. I think that definitely is something that I'm gonna start working on. Young man dropped out of school to become Red Fool's apprentice. Yeah, I am not taking any apprentices. I think I would love to have interns one day, but I feel like they would have to be college level, or that would be not good. So probably college level. But hey, maybe when some of you guys get to college, then you can apply to Red Fool Studios internship program. Top 56 advice OAT. I don't know what that means. What does that mean, foolish duck? Do 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 do. Yeah. Oh, I'm exhausted though, guys. I think we hit our 10-minute mark. I think we might need to wrap it up, boys. It's getting kind of late for this. Some of you guys are saying it's 1 a.m. I think everybody needs to go to bed. You feel me? But hey, we will probably stream tomorrow. Well, okay, there's like a 50% chance I'll stream tomorrow. But if I do stream tomorrow, I'm definitely going to stream earlier. Because, you know, it's just, I think my viewers will be higher too. Because I think it's just too late. Like, I'm starting so late, you know. When's the real life Red Fool Studio building coming? I hope it comes soon. What's up, Ali? Ali, some guy on the internet LARPing as a... Whoa! Who's Alik? What's up, Alik? What is... I don't even know what that word means after internet. No idea what that word means. All time. Why drop out when I can learn square root? That is when I would drop out, by then I could go to Votech. I don't know what that is either. Where are you dropping? Oh, I love Tilted Towers. Didn't they get rid of Tilted Towers, I think? Hey, forgot about a donation? Whose donation did you forget about? Yeah, you should... if you guys are going to donate money, you guys should just become official fans by joining the thing. Isn't there a thing you can join to be an official fan of Red Fool Studio? I forget what it is. Means acting like something you aren't. Whoa, dude, this guy's throwing shade at me, man. I think I'm a game dev studio. What are you talking about? What do you think this whole thing is, man? We're making games. We're making freaking whoa. Unbelievable. We're making games. We're teaching game making. What are you talking about? We got someone trolling in the chat, guys. Alik. It's a lot of E in there. I hope you're having a good day, though, Alik. Or a good night if it's late, you know? Even if you're hating on me, it's okay. As I choke on my water. It's 1 o'clock. Good night, dude. Have a good night, Leon. Thanks for joining. I appreciate it. Have a good night. I'm probably going to wrap it up soon, too, guys. It's getting really late. Alik, no shade. What do you think of freaking Bakio, dude? LMAO. I would be Red Fool's apprentice when he is an old man in his rocking chair. Dude, wouldn't that be awesome if I was like literally like still like 80 years old making games and live streaming this? What if it's just this game keeps going and I'm making this game for like 80 years long? That would be depressing. Alik, it's 1 a.m. for me too. That's awesome. You guys are partying it up, I bet. It's gonna get to 1 a.m. sooner than later here too. But I feel bad because now we're all chatty. I feel like people are really talkative earlier in the day and also late at night for some reason. Some people tell me that like when you're scrolling on YouTube Live, like a lot of the people aren't actually interacting with you. But I feel like I try to interact with people. I try. Wow, it's getting late. Oblation, whole lifetime of work. Yellow stool. I can never go to bed. Come on, Yellow Fool. I can't afford to donate. Alik can't. Wow, Yellow Fool. Throwing shade at Alik. What do you think, Alik? What do you think, Alik? Alik, can you top it? Gotta help support your local game studio. Come on, Alik. I feel like I'm more of a game education site than a studio, but I like the word studio, so I chose Red Fool Studio. Real. 10 more minutes. I know. I'll never sleep. Just keep going, guys. I'll just never sleep. Just keep giving me money, and I'll never sleep. That'd be wild. Wild. Yellow Fool, you're wild, man. But good old Ben was the man. I remember that one time there was like a whole thing with people like donating more and more. That was so funny. Wild. 10 more minutes. Silent, don't you gotta go to bed, man? Didn't you say it was 1 a.m. for you? How are you guys up all this late? Like I'm not even doing anything. I'm just chatting at this point. I might as well play a game while we chat because this is ridiculous. Should expand to studio later. I don't know what to name mine yet. In preparation. F in chat for Ben. Wait, why is everyone in chat a fool? Because they're a bunch of fools. Alik. This is part of the Red Fool Studio game dev squad, alright? You gotta be a fool here. Alik, I'm not sure. Well, everybody else was. There's a lot of fools in here. This is the entourage of the Fool Squad. I'm the guy who stayed up to 3 a.m. at 2:23 a.m. Oh no. Be careful. Don't hurt yourself. Violet, you gotta go to bed, man, if it's that late. That's crazy. I give in to the peer pressure swap of the fool. I don't know, I like Foolish Duck a lot though. Foolish Duck sounds really cool. And the Silence, what is it called? Image is hilarious. Every time I look at that, it's so funny because it's his original logo, but he just like formed it into a fool's hat. And then Yellow Fool is just literally me, but yellow. That doesn't make any sense. That's crazy. I don't even think he made that image. I think he literally just screenshotted it, and then he just changed like the filter color to make it yellow. Guys, if Ali comes back with a fool name and a fool logo, I'm gonna be mind blown. If Ali comes back with a fool's hat as its logo and like fool in their name, I'm gonna be shocked. I'm gonna be shocked. There's no way. There's no way. Whew. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's getting late though. Oh, I guess I'm staying on another 10 minutes. It's crazy. Crazy, guys. Wee. What is happening? Everything's glitching out. Oh no, not the blue fool. Not this guy. Who invited this guy? My PFP are all origin. What does PFPs mean? I recolored mine, but I don't care. I think it looks cool. Oh, now the other fools are showing up. Blue Fool donates $125. That would be insane. If Silent, you can get Blue Fool to donate $125, that'd be awesome. Do I need a 10 hour? I do it. We need a 10-hour stream. I'm not streaming for 10 hours. There's no way, guys. I said I would stay on a little bit longer because everybody got all like excited and stuff. So I'm just chilling now and hanging out with you guys. You're so silly. Definitely like the video though, by the way. How do we have 36 people on here, but not 36 likes, by the way? Everybody like the video. Please like the video. You have to close the chat and then hit the like button. Please. But yeah, we're doing good. We are doing good, and I'm exhausted. My current theory is that most of the fools are just one person, but peer pressured everybody else to join the army. I don't know, man. What if they're all just friends hanging out at work or something, and they know, and they just fell on? I don't know. But, you know, I'm all about it, you know? If it's part of the fan group, it's part of the fan group. So, I'll let it be. They may be fools, but they're respectful fools. And that's all that matters. This happened a while ago, though, Foolish Duck. This has been going on since, like, stream number 5 or something. Like, it's crazy. It's really ridiculous. Yeah, but it's good, though. I kind of want to hit 200 views, though, guys. Start being silly. Yeah. But I might need to go to bed soon, though, guys. It's getting really late. I will probably stream tomorrow, though. I promise that I will maybe stream. I will promise that I'll maybe stream tomorrow. Silent, if someone donates 125, then you have to do something. Do an ice bath. An ice bath? I don't even think I would be able to do an ice bath. I don't even have like a big enough bathtub to do an ice bath. That's impossible. That's funny though. You guys are silly. Silly. Yeah. I think I gotta call it soon, though. I want to hit 200. We're at 179 views, though. We gotta get to 200. We need 20 more people, guys. Streaming game development seems a very difficult thing to do. Well, given how slow-paced it is, can be how much context you need to understand what's actually happening a little. I would say that, but honestly, though, sometimes it's pretty casual. Like, I'll be honest, it's just really late now. I was really focused earlier. I was getting a lot done. But now I'm kind of at the wrapping up spot, you know? But, no, I think I'll be honest, though, Foolish Duck, I think when, at least for me, ever since I started doing the streaming thing, though, I've been getting, like, way more wish lists and, like, way more, like, viewers on all my stuff, and, like, I just think it's such an easy way, though, to build an audience, I think, especially if you're, like, somewhat sociable, you know? So I recommend it. If you're gonna make a game and you can handle, like, you know, working on stuff while talking to people, then yeah. Because to be honest, I've been very talkative this week. I think I'll be more like locked in. But to be fair, like, this was the last 20 minutes I've been chatting a bunch just because I know I'm like mentally too tired right now. But that's okay. But I feel bad. I don't want to like leave when you guys gave me money. Why couldn't you guys have donated at the beginning of this? Then I would have just like lived it out. But yeah. Anyway, though, I don't know how you guys are all up right now. Like, that's wild. To be honest, this is kind of like relaxing, no? I'm just like chilling, just listening to lo-fi music and relaxing. It's good. I'm so tired. Yeah. But it's going good, though. No, one more minute. I know. Someone better donate, or we're calling it. No donates, then we're calling it, guys. At the same time, I don't want to say don't donate, but I kind of need to go to bed. So, we're going to make it. To be honest, though, last time I streamed, it said it ended at 2 hours, and it totally had like 2 minutes left, and I was so mad. So I might even stay one more minute because I don't know why it did that. It like cut off the last 3 minutes of the last stream. Bye in reverse advance. That's fair. Sometimes it like closes me out before it actually says bye. Wouldn't that be sad if I just closed it out and then someone like donated after I left? That'd be so sad. But please, what do you call it? Subscribe and like the video and the stream. Check out my other courses and all the stuff. Yeah. Today was a good day though. We got done pretty good amount. I have like one more little side mission to do, and I think I'll do that, and then I have to make the final boss. My hope is I can make the final boss like pretty quick. It's gonna be a giant frog, I think is what we decided. But yeah, we're doing good. We are doing good. Come on, man. Come on, man. It's only Yellow Fool, too. Somebody else has got to chip in here. If we're going to do this, someone else has got to chip in here. You know, if you guys were part of the... You know, Yellow Fool, you should join and be like one of the members. And then you get this cool Red Fool's game sticker. You guys gotta get the cool Red Fool's emoji sticker. You guys gotta get the cool emoji sticker. Yellow Fool has unhealthy spending habits. Foolish Duck, I think spending money on me is very healthy. What do you mean? Oh my gosh. Ugh. I've been sitting in this chair for so long that my butt is sore. I'll be honest though, if we hit one more donation though, we'll get to the goal. Someone else has got to chip in here. Leon, you said goodnight and you're still here. You sly dog. You sly dog, Leon. Didn't I like this? The Yellow Fool has an unhealthy... No, but if you guys are gonna Yellow Fool, if you're gonna donate, then you should just join the program. It's like $1 a month to be a certified fool, and your banner looks cooler too. Like you get a cool banner. Join the squad and get the cool emoji. Do, 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 do. So laggy. I think my computer's getting mad at me too. Maybe I can turn this browser off too. Maybe it'll run faster. My chat is all messed up. I'm like lagged out. What's going on? Uh-oh. I'm trying. $8 made. Heck yeah. Yeah, maybe we'll add 10 minutes to the next stream. But guys, I gotta go to bed. I'm sorry. It's also lagging because it's probably heating up my computer too much. But I appreciate you guys all being here. Yellow Duck gift membership to make Red Fools have long. Yeah, if you become a membership, you get like already cool benefits, I'm pretty sure. Yellow Duck? Who's Yellow Duck? Oh, Yellow and Duck gift memberships to make Red Fools have longer stream. Maybe tomorrow. I will lock in for tomorrow, guys, I promise, but I gotta call it today. I gotta call it. When you plan to end next stream, add those 10 minutes to an anonymous timer in the corner and add it every time. We could do that. I think I need to add a subscribe button on the screen or something. I don't know how to do that though. I gotta look into these tricks. But I appreciate you guys all being on here. I really do. Sorry if it's getting a little laggy. I think everything's heating up too much. But yeah, I will see you guys maybe tomorrow, though, okay? Have a good night. I appreciate it.